Hello, my name is Marcus. I am 23 years young, born in Austria, and now I will tell you why I have invested almost €102,378.32 in Bitcoin so far in KJ Invest Capital. Since I am so convinced that I have doubled my Bitcoins fully automated within less than 13 months, I want to tell you how you can do same fortune like me. So let's start now. KJ Invest Capital Limited was founded in 2014 by Jan Kostrzewa and Dr. Frederic de Mazière. Our focus was on investment consulting and tax relief. Today Mr. Dr. Frederic de Mazière is active as a consultant and is a contact man at several banks and international authorities. We served our customers for more than 3 years only offline. Personality and discretion are for KJ Invest Capital still on first place. In the course of 2016 we added the sector private banking to our portfolio. Since 2017 it's possible to use our services online as well. We offer our clients an online back office where they can handle their finances. We can offer such services cause we are in possession of an asset management and financial services license in Seychelles, a crypto trading license in Belize and an investment consulting license in Cyprus. Our partner company is a young and dynamic trading company, where experts from Germany are managing and trading our depots with Hyatt security. This cooperation started in 2014 in the Forex market and binary options. Since 2016 our focus is on cryptocurrency trading. Our licenses: Asset Management License on Mauritius, Crypto Trading and Brokerage License in Belize, International Crypto Trading License in Gibraltar. Since we're focusing on cryptocurrency trading in October 2016 we tried many different strategies. Aggressive trading, where we used around 80% of our assets, defensive trading, where we used between 10 and 30% of our assets. At the moment we're using a balanced strategy, where we use between 20 and 50% of our active assets for trading. The profits of this strategy are outstanding. We use this strategy cause our clients won't trade, and here we can offer a product with manageable risk which is able to deliver an above average performance. Target return, 4 to 8%/month. 33% commissions of the profits. Contribution binding of 12 months. Career profit participation in percent. Equity release after commitment period. Partner in crypto trading. Automated reinvest. A good performance for you and your assets. You can only pay in via Bitcoin, and that can get created by clicking on the Pay in button in your back office. Type in the desired amount of BTC and pay in with a QR code. After paying in, please write an email with the purpose. Pay in via BTC done. Send us your name, your address, the amount of BTC you paid in and a transaction confirmation to this email, payment@kjinvestcapital.com. Payments have to enter until the last day of the month to get assessed on the first of the following month. Payouts can be sent to every international wallet. You only have to apply them until the 3rd of the current month. Payouts will get processed within 7 working days as the 4th of the current month. Accounts have to be verified to pay out. For the verification process you need a passport ID card, a proof of your address, not older than 3 months, and your investment contract from KJ Invest Capital. Please send the documents to verification at kjinvestcapital.com. Normally within 72 hours they get checked and your account gets verified. KJ Invest Capital Limited. Invest in the future.